Hi, in this example we are going to learn how to subtract two polynomials as 6x to the power 5 minus 4x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus 2x plus 7, right? And in the second polynomial we have 2x to the power 6 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 7x square plus 3x minus 8. Okay, so we need to subtract this second polynomial from first polynomial. So let us say first polynomial is px and second polynomial is qx. So we have to perform px minus qx, right? Okay, so for the first step I have to write the expression for subtraction. Okay, so this is how we are going to do. I will open a bracket. I will write 6x to the power 5 minus 4x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus 2x plus 7. And because I have to subtract, I will add a minus sign here and I will write second polynomial within the bracket. Minus 5x to the power 4 plus 7x square plus 3x minus 8. Okay. Now as you see, for the second polynomial there is a minus sign, right? Because I have to subtract these two polynomials. So before second polynomial there is a minus sign. Okay. Now I have to distribute this negative sign or this minus sign. Okay. So let us see how we are going to distribute it. We simply need to change this sign of second polynomial. What does that mean? So for each of these terms like 2x to the power 6 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 7x square plus 3x minus 8, all these are terms. So for all these terms I have to change its sign, and that way I can remove the bracket as well, right? You see there is a bracket. That bracket also we can remove after distributing the negative sign. So this will become, here we have a plus sign. So plus multiplied by minus is minus 2x to the power 6. Here we have minus, multiply by minus, we will get plus 5x to the power 4. Then this plus will become minus and this minus will become plus. We have to only change sign of each of these terms, right? And this is how we distribute the negative sign. Okay. Now there are two ways we can solve it. The first way will be, I will write both these polynomials one below the other, and in the second way I will arrange these two polynomials in descending order of degree, right? Say for example, this polynomial has degree of 6. This polynomial has a degree of 4. So we are only going to look at the power of x, and that's how we find out degree of each term. Okay. So for the first approach, I have to write first polynomial as it is. I will write it here on the top. 6x to the power 5 minus 4x to the power 4 plus 3x cube. I will leave some space here. I will tell you later why I have left this space. Then after that we have minus 2x plus 7. And after that I have to write the polynomial we got after distributing the negative, that is minus 2x to the power 6 and so on. Okay. In this case, from the second polynomial I have to write the like term below the first polynomial. Okay. So here I see x has a power of 6. In the first polynomial we do not have any term which has x to the power 6. So I will write it separately. Probably I will write it at the start. After that I see the term where x has a power of 4. I see here x has power 4. I will write it here. Below minus 4x to the power 4 I will write plus 5x to the power 4. After that minus 7x square. Here x has a power of 2. I do not see there is any term which has x to the power 2 in the first polynomial. So I will write it separately, minus 7x to the power 2, and this is why I left one space here, right? After that we have minus 3x. I will put it below minus 2x and then plus 8. This will come below 7 because we have distributed the negative already. So I am going to add these two fractions to get the result. Here minus 2x to the power 6 below 6x to the power 5 we do not have anything here in the second polynomial. So I will write it as it is, 6x to the power 5, and for the third term there is x to the power 4, and then we are going to add only the constants or only the coefficients. Here minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1. So plus 1 is nothing but 1 multiplied by x4, and we can keep it as x to the power 4. Here also below x to the power 3 we do not have any term in the second polynomial, so I will keep it as it is. After that we have minus 7x square. There in the first polynomial we do not have any like term, so I will write minus 7x square. For x, minus 2 and minus 3 is minus 5, and x we write as it is. Then after that we have plus, and 7 plus 8 is 15. So this is the answer when we are subtracting these two polynomials, right? Okay, let us take second approach. In this approach, we have to arrange the terms in descending order of degree, right? So first we have taken first polynomial, we have this polynomial, and after that we have to write second polynomial after distributing the negative. So let us write it down. First polynomial we have 6x to the power 5 minus 4x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 3 minus 2x plus 7. So what we are doing here, we are simply writing first polynomial, and for the second polynomial we are writing it after distributing the negative. So here we have minus 2x to the power 6 plus 5x to the power 4 minus 7x square minus 3x and plus 8. Okay. Now we have to arrange terms in descending order of degree, which means that the highest degree of x or highest power of x will come first, and gradually smaller or lower power of x will follow. So here 2x to the power 6 has highest power of x, that is 6. I will write it first, minus 2x to the power 6. After that we have 6x to the power 5. Here x has second highest power, that is 5, plus 6x to the power 5. After that we have minus 4x to the power 4 and 5x to the power 4. I will write both these terms together because both have same power of x, 5x to the power 4. Okay. After that here we have x to the power 3. I will write it x to the power 3. In the second polynomial we do not have any term having degree of 3. After that we'll move to degree of 2. Here minus 7x square has a degree of 2. Then we have minus 2x here and minus 3x here. I'm going to write both these terms together, minus 2x minus 3x, and after that we have only constants, plus 7 and plus 8, plus 7 plus 8. Okay. Now we have to simplify it further. This is equal to minus 2x to the power 6 plus 6x to the power 5, and you see here for x to the power 4 we have two terms, so I will write x to the power 4 here. I'm sorry, here we have plus 5x to the power 4. Minus 4 plus 5 is 1, that is only x to the power 4. After that we have plus 3x to the power 3, then minus 7x square, and for x I will write it as it is. Then minus 2 and minus 3 is minus 5. After that plus 7 and plus 8 is plus 15. Okay. So this is the answer when we solve it by second approach, and both these approaches will have same result. Maybe I'll quickly go back to earlier slide and show you both the results are same. So here first we have minus 2x to the power 6 plus 6x to the power 5. I'll go to previous slide. Here also you see minus 2x to the power 6 plus 6x to the power 5. Then from approach 2 we had x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 3. In approach 1 as well we have x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 3. Then from second approach we have minus 7x square minus 5x plus 15. Here also minus 7x square minus 5x plus 15. So you have seen that using any of these approaches you will get the same result, right? Okay, let us quickly review what we have seen. So first I have taken approach 1 here. You can take approach 2 also. First polynomial we have written as it is, and for the second polynomial we have written it after distributing the negative sign. Okay, so minus 2x to the power 6 we got it, then 6x to the power 5 because we do not have anything below 6x to the power 5 in second polynomial. Then we had plus x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 3 because we do not have anything to add here in the second polynomial. Then minus 7x square, this term is missing in first polynomial. Then minus 5x and 15. This is the answer. Okay, so hope you understood how to subtract two polynomials using two approaches. In my next videos I will bring more such examples of subtracting two polynomials. Thank you for watching.